Hello, Roger. You have some nice music playing. All the friends have come when they heard the song. Let's dance! Nice moves! Wow, you've got some skills. Wow, this is so much fun. Oh, it seems like the battery in the boombox has run out. Don't be sad. I've got an idea. Take a look. The wind is blowing today, and it is really strong. We can build a wind turbine, and it will produce electricity for the player.
Yes.
What do you think, guys? All right then, cars. Go for it. Get to work. Roger. Dipper. Dumpy. Craney. Vroom, vroom. This is a great spot for our wind turbine. First, we have to make a footing. We have to make a foundation for the building. But first, we need to dig a big hole. Dipper, can you handle the task?
Oh, yeah.
Nice! Now, we need to bring the main structure.
Yes.
Wow! Look! It is really huge! All right now, let's assemble it. Nice work. Okay. But we still need to put together a propeller for the wind turbine. Let's see just how our wind turbine works. Here's a blueprint, so we can see how it comes together. We need a generator and 3 blades to be connected to it. Then the propeller is ready. The wind blows and the propeller spins. The spinning propeller makes the generator rotate. See? It's right here. And when the generator rotates, it produces electricity that goes to our player through wires. Whoa, nice! Great! The wind is spinning the propellers, and the generator produces energy. All we have to do now is connect the player and see if it works. Come on, plug it in.
Okay.
Hooray! It works! Well done, cars. We did a great job and made a working wind turbine. That's all for today. See you later. Bye-bye.